Thanks for checking out Scotty's Hobbies. If you're looking for the perfect way to do a BJ, or if you don't know how to perform a BJ on your vehicle, this might be the place to get you that info. Scotty's Hobbies, I have a ton of videos on brake jobs for a wide variety of vehicles. So if you go to Google search or YouTube search, just go to Scotty's Hobbies and whatever vehicle I have. So like Scotty's Hobbies Highlander, and that'll bring up all of my videos. The top videos will be mine. I might have brakes, maybe spark plugs, cabin air filter. I might have a ton of videos on that. But for brake jobs, in all of my videos, I try to give you the most information I could pack into a short video. So not to be too long like this video is right now, but I try to pack in some info like grease to use, when to use brake clean, give you some info on brake pads, what kind of brake pads I recommend. I go over that in the videos. In those videos, there's links in the description to buy the parts that I'm talking about, as well as the tools. Most of the videos have torque specifications. If they don't have the torque specs in the video, I try to give you the best way to go get it yourself. But I do my best to get them all. I think there's only a couple, and there's like 50 or 60 videos right now. So compression tool, everything. Go over that in the video. If you watch the video before you do the brake job, or watch it while you're doing the brake job, you should be able to get any of the brake jobs I have done. So check out the video library, tell everybody about me. Hopefully you can find something that works for you and gets it done. If it does, in the video that you find that helps you out, make sure you comment in that video. Tell me the year, the make, model, whatever the vehicle is that you drive that you got the job done. I love to hear about it, and let me know where you're from. Just the other day I had a guy from New Zealand, and then Germany, maybe it was a girl, I had somebody. But it's super dope to hear that I hear or help people all over the world. So like, subscribe, share, tell everybody about me. Check out these videos right here, it might give you the next start on your DIY fix, and I'll see you on the next hopefully helpful video. Thanks for checking out Scotty's Hobbies.